are you? Thank you so much for visiting my blog at AlejandraFont.com. And the purpose of this blog is just basically to clarify any misconceptions you may have to dieting and clean eating. You know, 80% of your results does come from your diet, so you definitely need to pay attention to what you eat. But what I'm going to do is just walk you through some very clean eating recipes that hold tremendous nutritional value and actually taste good. Actually taste great, I would say. So basically you're not limited to just grilled chicken anymore with vegetables. You could actually get very creative, and you'll see with my next videos. So if you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and send me a message. And thanks again. I'm really excited to be doing this, and I hope you love it.